Hello? Hey, Phil? Hey, Phil, where are you? Phil! Phil, don't do that, Pat! Ugh. Life of a sock puppet. I tell ya. What's up, Phil? Stop attacking me! Go over there! Go over there! Pa! Over there! Stay! Over here! Okay. So, Phil, what's up? Nothing! Nothing? Yeah, nothing! Are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. Stop trying to eat me! I'm not trying to eat you! Over there! I want my personal sock space! I want my personal yummy space! What? I said my personal sock space! You baby! I will eat you! Over there! Stop it! Stop it right now! I'm telling you, the life of a puppet is horrible. Why are you staring at my eyes? I was born this way! Don't judge me! Hey, no, okay? Are you hungry? What you doing? What you doing? No! Where are you? Where are you? Hello. It's me again. Oh my god. I lost my friend, Phil. But I found a new friend. This twin brother, Dave. Hey, Dave! Dave! Hey, Dave!
Yeah.
Dave!
Yes.
Dave!
Yes.
He doesn't speak much.